guys, welcome back to Crazy Mahassin, and it's me, Saljooq. If for someone who likes reading books like me, here are 5 easy bookmarks that you can make at home. Let's get started with the first bookmark. Use a square piece of paper that is 12 centimeters by 12 centimeters. I am using a A4 white paper. Turn the square paper to a diamond shape and fold the bottom to the top like this. And hardly crease the corners. Fold the both corners so they align to the bottom. Make sure you crease them very sharply. I'll show you after I'm done. Open the folds that you just did and fold the bottom to the top, like this. Crease them very hardly. Then have both the corners and fold them down here, like tuck them in. And there you have a basic corner bookmark.
So let's get on with the second bookmark. This is a unicorn bookmark and we need nothing else than this basic corner bookmark. Just follow the steps that Saljooq told you to and you can make the unicorn bookmark. First, tuck this side inside. We don't want anything standing out. Like this. Now cut the parts I've just marked out. I'm going to cut it now. And then when you cut the two sides, also trim the top of here. I hope you can see that. And it would look something like this. Cut a piece of paper which is a rectangle, and then what we're gonna do is color it as with the colors we choose. So I'm just gonna scribble all over it. I'm going for this rainbow theme. So now I'm done. What we're gonna do is just cut it so that we just get the colors and not the scribbles. So I'm gonna just cut it like that. Now, I'm going to get the unicorn bookmark, and on the side, I'm going to just measure that how long it's going to be. It's going to be this long. I'm going to cut it out. So, let's glue this onto the back, like this. Now when you have something like this, so when you stuck it onto the corner, I'm going to cut like little strips so that like it's like the unicorn's there. Can be as tiny or as big as you like. And then here you have it, little unicorn hair pieces, and now let's get on to unicorn's ear. So for the unicorn ear, I'm going to be using glitter foam. You don't have to use glitter foam if you don't have it. You could just use white paper and color it a pink or the desired color you like. And you can just draw a little template for your ear and then cut it out. I've already cut one out. So I've already cut this out, and we're going to stick it onto the top of the unicorn over here. So I'm just going to glue this. So we have done our unicorn hair plus ear. Now we're just going to do the horn. So for the unicorn horn, I'm going to be using the same foam, the pink foam that I've used later. I've done a template and I'm going to cut this out. So there we have it. Our unicorn horn is ready. I'm going to stick that on to this bookmark over there. Okay. So now let's draw the unicorn's eyes. So there we have it. Our unicorn bookmark is ready.
Let's get on to the third bookmark. Let's get started with the fourth bookmark.
This is 25 centimeters by 1 centimeter each. So let's get started.
For this bookmark, we need 2 color papers, and for the color to show up, I'm going to turn these around. Then place the orange color or your color like this.
On
Then
top of the other color. Now just glue it together.
next color and glue it to the opposite color.
So Saljooq has orange, so he's gonna glue it to the opposite of blue. Make sure everything's aligned.
I'll show you after I'm done.
So this is how it looks like when you turn it over. Now let's stick the other blue. So the blue has to come like this. So Saljooq's just sticking the blue.
And now this is how it looks like
Over here. So now you just have to braid it like you braid your hair, or like you do a braid, and then at the end it will look perfect. So Saljooq's going to show you how he does. So now take the first color from that side and fold it like this. Now you're going to do the same but from the other side. In each step you can glue it so that everything does not move from its place. So now do the same with the blue on this side. Now you just gotta glue it. Repeat the same step over and over again until you get to the end of this of the paper. Try to do it as much as you can. Try to go till the bottom. trim off the excess. Because we got this white thing all over our bookmark, what we're going to do is use some permanent markers to just decorate it.
This is the final form of the Scotch tape bookmark.
So there you have it.
The bookmark.
For the fifth bookmark, we're going to be making a butterfly bookmark. You will need a 15 by 10 centimeter paper. So I'm using pink, which has white at the back. First, fold the top to the bottom into a half. Make sure that you do a hard crease. And do the same this way. Again, make sure that it's a hard crease. Now what you're going to do is open the fold we just did, and this side, take one side and then open this like that and press it down so that you create a triangle like this. Fold this triangle over and repeat the same to the other side. So you get something like this. So now take the corners of each of the fold and then fold it like this. So you're basically folding it open and you have something like this. When you've done that, fold this bottom to the top. There's no exact size for this. You could just fold it like by eye and do the same here too. So you have something like this. So now reopen the flaps and then open this part like this. Fold this flap inside over here. So you have something like this. And do the same to the other side. Open it again. Open this part like this. And fold it inside and fold. So this is how it looks like after you've tucked the flaps in. Now what you're going to do is just open the flaps and press it hard like this. So just open both the flaps and there you have it. Your bookmark is ready. You can make it thin or sharp by folding it like this away, like that. So I'm going to make it a little thinner. So there you have it. There you have it, your corner butterfly bookmark. You can stick these both the flaps down so that you don't they don't come off.